You've been given a spreadsheet, or it's been a long time since you looked at your spreadsheet and you can't remember how you created those results. What you want to do is actually to see the formulas. Now, we all know that you can click on a cell and you see the formula in the formula bar. But if you're talking about a bigger spreadsheet, or actually if you just want to print out the formulas, that's not going to work. We need a way to see them and potentially print them. Two options for you today. Option number one is the menu option. So under the formulas tab on your ribbon, you can look across and we've got the formula auditing group, and you can see show formulas. As soon as you click on there, it actually switches everything across, and this is now printable, or you can use it just to see the formulas. I'm going to switch that off. The one that I always use is actually a shortcut key. If you know me, you know I do love my shortcuts. On your keyboard, it's actually Control and the apostrophe. Now, it's the apostrophe to the left of the number 1 on your keyboard, not the one that's over on the right hand side near the return mark. So that's the Control key and the apostrophe, and actually it just does exactly the same way, same thing, a little bit quicker and easier. So there you have it. If you need to see the formulas behind it across your spreadsheet, just show them. Hi, I'm Michelle, your friendly computer trainer, here to help you use your everyday programs quickly and easily with useful tips and tricks. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to be notified of new videos as they're released, remember to subscribe to my channel. See you next time.